The best ways to gain muscle. No one can afford to wait for the effects of their workout to become apparent before moving on to something else. The best way to build muscle mass is through hypertrophy, which can only be achieved through exercise. Weightlifting is a popular means of gaining muscle mass to bulk up quickly. To bulk up, you'll need to consume more calories than you're burning. To gain 1 pound of muscle mass, you'll need about 2,800 calories, most of which will go towards supporting protein turnover, which can be boosted through exercising. According to a study, eating lean protein 15 to 20 minutes before and 1 hour after working out may also help with muscle building. It's not required to eat a steak or chicken breast before or after your exercises, but a protein drink or supplement may be beneficial. Although protein is essential, it isn't the only factor. It's about eating a lot of tiny meals throughout the day to fulfill your calorific needs and supply you with the nourishment you need to develop muscle, shed fat, and grow stronger. So, here are a few guidelines to support you to gain muscle and strength. But before we continue, let's not forget to support our channel by leaving a like right now and smashing the subscribe button. Enjoy! Eat every 3 hours. When it comes to increasing your muscular mass, timing is everything. Breakfast, lunch, and supper should be eaten in the same order as usual, with 2 snacks in between each meal. By eating more regularly, you will feel less hungry, since your stomach will shrink, due to eating smaller meals frequently, rather than a few large meals. As a result, you'll be able to eat more rapidly, lose weight, and feel less hungry. When you don't eat for an extended length of time, it's easy to overeat during your next meal, or fill up on junk food. To avoid cravings, eat at regular intervals throughout the day, and your body will grow hungry at those intervals. Lift until you can't. There is a technique known as lifting to failure. Anyone with weightlifting experience will tell you that this is one of the most effective strategies to gain weight quickly. The procedure comprises the athlete pushing themselves through weightlifting reps until their bodies can no longer move any further. People who are new to weightlifting should avoid pushing their muscles to failure at first. To finish the task, they will need to grow their strength. The key is to continue, even after you have failed. Pause before attempting again. If the person is powerless to lift any additional weight at this stage, take some weight off and continue. Concentrate on compound workouts. Compound workouts are those that work muscles more than one joint. These are deadlifts, squats, presses, rows, and pull-ups. Compound lifts recruit a large amount of muscle mass, resulting in efficient training and a grand release of hormones, such as testosterone, which encourage growth, making them the foundation of your exercises. There's nothing wrong with incorporating some isolation exercises like curls, legs, and extensions. But regard them as a dessert after your main dish of compound lifts. Increase your weightlifting efforts. When you lift big weights, your muscles experience more fiber breaks, which causes more comprehensive muscle protein synthesis, which is the process that your muscles absorb protein to heal and develop. I'm not suggesting that you deadlift your body weight every week, but choose weight loads that are heavy enough to cause exhaustion after 8 to 15 repetitions. To emphasize, you can also lift hard in a shorter rep range, such as 4 to 6 reps. Rep into exhaustion means continuing till you're on the verge of giving up. Reduce the amount of time you rest between sets. Spending less time between sets permits their muscles to remain engaged at all times. The maximum amount of time somebody should spend between sets should be no more than 90 seconds. Too much rest allows the muscles to relax and lowers the chances of success. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is essential for any workout or fitness plan, even if the goal is to lose weight. Every time the body begins to sweat, more water is lost via the pores. A decent workout produces a lot of sweat that needs to be replenished. People will put themselves at risk for cramping, injury and exhaustion if they do not drink enough water. Get more sleep. You will not experience ideal muscle building benefits if you are persistently sleep deprived. No matter how hard you work out, how heavy you lift, or how much protein you eat, sleep also aids in muscle rehabilitation. According to research, the bulk of muscle repair occurs during sleep. Sleep regulates critical chemicals such as cortisol, human growth hormone, and insulin growth factor, all of which play a role in muscle maintenance and growth. Follow your workout routine every day. Whatever workout a person chooses, they must commit to it. Many people begin with a standard 5-day workout week with no breaks, only to abandon their plan for more leisure days at home. This step requires a lot of willpower, but the benefits we gain cannot be overlooked. Maintaining the same level of moderation with gradual increases aids in the formation of a healthy habit. Gaining muscle fast is challenging, and there is no easy technique to accomplish it. The only way to get this additional muscle mass is to put in the effort. Don't squander your free time socializing via text messages or having too many days off in a row. To gain the benefits, you must be dedicated. Nothing worthwhile has ever been accomplished without a great deal of work and effort. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.